What's up, B-Wife?
Today we're going to do an oil change on the 2020 Harley Davidson streetbob. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is how I do it. I'm going to do an oil change on him today. Just let it warm up for a little bit. Let the oil get hot. And then we're going to change the oil right now. So this is everything we need to do the oil change. This is the oil I'm going with. A couple of shops recommend this, so I'm going to give it a try. I was trying Screaming Eagle for a minute, but see how it works. Oil filter, of course. We even got this oil catcher drain oil filter funnel. Catches the oil. This is pretty helpful. Good investment, only 20 bucks. Of course, you need an oil pan, a shop rack in case you make a mess, and tools. So we're gonna get straight into it. 16mm socket. Take the oil plug off. Only going to do the oil today, primary and transmission. I'll do that on the next transmission, on the next oil change. So I just did it recently. I have to do it so on. You have to do it, I believe it's every 100,000 miles or something like that. I'll check. I'll leave that in the description below for you guys. But right now I'm changing the oil. So right here in the back is your oil plug. You don't want to get it confused with the other ones because you got the transmission in the front. And this is the oil plug, so you just loosen it up. Let that drain out. And then take the plug and just clean it up a little bit, get all this debris and all this stuff. Right. So you want to make sure you open this up so it releases the pressure, so the flow of the oil will come out easily. Oil filter off. It's a technique I learned along the way. You know, let me save you money for buying other little stuff. Twist that bad boy off.
What's up, B-Wife?
Struggling with the barbecue. This good investment catches all that oil, so you don't drip it all over your bike. So this right here is the Canyon air filter, oil filter, I'm sorry. And it has a little wrench part that you can use to attach. What I do is take a little bit of the oil and just wrap it around the ring. Give it a good, nice little silly illy. Remove that. So the oil still drips. So it catches a lot of the oil still drips. So it's still gonna be like just a little bit of drip. That's normal. Turns to nice and secure. That should do it. Smooth. And then that's that. Next step is put oil in there. So our next step is to pour the oil in. You want to make sure you get the 20W50 weight, and then recommended 4.5, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick 5. So I end up putting 4 quarts in. Let it run for a little bit, make sure there's no leaks, and let the oil cycle through. So I'm gonna check the oil levels and see where we at. This might point at the 5th one. So that's about it. Let the engine run for a little bit, let it get hot, check the oil levels, make sure it's all straight. And everything's up to good, everything's straight. So we're gonna test this oil out, see how my bike likes it. And then we'll go from there. Del Rey. A lot of people recommend it. Some people recommend Redline. But some people just want to stick to Screaming Eagle. You know what I mean? I just want to see what the difference is, see what the hype is really about. They say mineral oil is a lot better. So we're gonna go with the mineral oils and see what we got. Stay tuned for the video.
What's up, be wife?